and then moves to the application stage, and then which ones you will probably have to follow up on after the project is already in motion or even completed, depending on the field. Now, so that, again, this is more of a dictionary style, and then the other tab next to it shows you more of a data entry style template, so what we would refer to as a flat file in the database structure. So this is more of what you would want to enter the data into so that each project gets its own record, and then you fill out relevant fields, and again, some of them at pre-app, some of them at full application, and then some of them following the project's completion. Okay, and I think I skipped a slide here. Okay, although I've kind of covered some of this, when and how, I mean, as I mentioned, collect it as soon as you can and have a process in place. As Christina mentioned, it's very important to have that process and make it consistent. And I think another important emphasis to make is that you'd be surprised how often questions will arise about projects that did not get funded. Especially if it comes from a funding source that is very specific to the geography and specific to targeted communities and targeted populations, you will be asked, as you can imagine, anytime there's public money being used, and even on the private side, a lot of times private sources want to know where were applications originating but maybe didn't get funded. And so in our Pennsylvania program, that was a huge part of it. There was a lot of interest in knowing where was there interest in the program, but maybe not quite the right project